Every day, life gives us the same gift, 24 hours. But why do some people achieve so much while others feel time slipping away? The truth is, time itself isn't the problem. It's how we manage it. Today, let's uncover 5 vital habits that can help you take control of your time before it controls you. Habit 1, the power of priorities. Not everything on your to-do list matters. The most productive people don't do it all. They focus on what truly moves the needle. Ask yourself, if I could only finish one task today, which one would make the biggest difference? That's where your energy should go. Habit 2, the 2-minute rule. Procrastination steals more time than anything else. Here's a simple fix. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. Replying to an email, washing that cup, sending a message, it's amazing how small actions clear mental clutter and saves hours later. Habit 3, time blocking. Instead of letting your day scatter into distractions, divide it into focused blocks. Dedicate 90 minutes to deep work. Then take a break. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself, sacred and non-negotiable. This one habit alone can double your productivity. These may sound simple, but done consistently, they'll completely reshape your day. And the final 2 habits, they don't just save time. They redefine your relationship with it. Habit 4, mastering energy, not just time. Time management isn't only about the clock. It's about your energy. Think of your energy like a battery. Some hours you're fully charged, other hours you're drained. If you schedule your most important work during your peak energy, you'll achieve more in 2 hours than most do in an entire day. Ask yourself, when do I feel sharpest? Morning, afternoon, late night? Protect those golden hours and use them wisely. Everything else can fit around them. Habit 5, reflection and reset. The final habit isn't about doing, it's about pausing. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect. What worked? What wasted my time? This small reset ensures tomorrow isn't just another copy of today's mistakes. Reflection builds self-awareness. It's the difference between living on autopilot versus taking control. When you reset, you don't just manage time. You reclaim your life. So remember, priorities, the 2-minute rule, time blocking, managing energy, and daily reflection. These aren't just habits. They're tools to master the most precious currency you'll ever own. Time won't warn you when it's slipping away, but you can take control today. If this message resonated, keep exploring with us at Light Version, where every video is an invitation to think deeper, live smarter, and create more with the time you have. Subscribe, not as a routine click, but as a reminder to yourself, your time matters.